Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ina, and today's video I have another hair video for you. This was not supposed to be the end result of this install, but I'll let you guys know what happened. I'll just go into the specs on this unit. This unit is from Amazon. It's a 360 lace frontal unit, loose wave, and it's pre-plucked. I believe I got a, I think it's a 16 inch if I'm not mistaken. Let me look into my order details. I believe it's a 16 inch if I'm not. So I bought the 360 lace frontal wig so that I can actually glue down this unit all around 360. So I started off with the front. The back, it just would not stay at all. As much as I put alcohol on the nape of my neck, around the hairline in the back, it did not stay with my Ghost Bond glue. I don't know if I was doing like what I was doing wrong. I literally laid down the glue, let it dry clear, and then applied my 2 other coats, and then tried to apply it. It would not. I don't believe that I can do the 360 lace frontal install on myself. I'd probably have to practice on someone else just to see if I can actually do the install, but that's fine. I'll save that for the future if I do have a client that wants it done, or I can probably practice on someone so that I can make sure that I know what I'm doing. But what happened was I ended up just lifting up the back, removing the glue that I had on the back of my head, and I just literally did some curls on this unit, and it turned out really gorgeous. I used my wand curl to achieve these gorgeous curls, these waves I should say. They're so voluminous, they're effortless, they are so bouncy. Like, I am loving the end result. This was actually supposed to be the result. Like, I had every intention to use my wand curl to curl it, but I was gonna put it in a nice ponytail, a really high ponytail, and then use my wand curls just to get that that full effect. But it didn't happen, but this came out really cute, so I'm pretty excited about it. So I'll be showing you guys how I actually got the curls. You guys know how I install my, it was already installed, I didn't show me installing it. So you guys will get to see how I achieve these gorgeous waves. So if you guys are interested, let go.
Choose your fighter.
Lightning inspired.
Fight.